Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel ABC All Baking and Cooking. Today we are going to make pizza toast without oven in a normal frying pan. So for that, first of all, we'll take a bread slice and we will flat it from the both sides with the help of a pin roll. Now add some butter in a pan and put it on low flame and just fry the slices from both sides. Spread some chili garlic sauce or ketchup. I'm using mozzarella cheese here. You can use any kind of cheese you have. Here I'm adding some pepperoni. If you don't have pepperoni, you can be really creative. You can experiment with if you have some leftover chicken, you can add that. I'm adding some onions, tomatoes and green peppers. Sprinkled some black pepper, generous amount of salt, then sprinkle some garlic powder. Now I'm adding oregano and basil leaves. So it's ready to go into the pan. I'm here adding mozzarella cheese. Spread it all over the toast and cover the toast with the help of any lid. So when cheese is melted, our pizza toast is ready. I have also added some olives in it. You can add some corns if you have, and just enjoy these pizza toast without oven with fries.